Good day, everybody. Welcome back. Oh my god, I'm so sick. Welcome back to another video. So I just got back from Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm a little bit sick, so that's tiresome. I just got myself some if I can get it in my pocket. Yeah. Got some penicillin. 300 milligrams. I have to take 3 times a day. My plan is to take 1 in the morning, 1 at supper, and 1 before I go to bed. Today has been great. This is vlog number 2. I'm sick. I'm not severely sick. I'm just, sick, kind of. Don't think it's contagious, but I guess no hanging out with anybody for me. I'm in Kitchener now. I was in Hamilton a couple days ago. That's why I didn't do a vlog. I'm at the City Hall. I like it. So I have a question for you guys. What is your guys' favorite place to go to? Whoa, I dropped my phone. I guess I might have to. I don't know. What are you guys' favorite place to go to? What did you guys always wanted to go to? Well, have you ever wanted to be? I'm just heading to the library, so make sure I don't die in a hole before I get there. They're doing construction behind me. I like it. My hair is a mess. I'm walking on the street because apparently that's a great idea. Let's get off the street. Right now I am on Duke. I just crossed Young. So that's kind of good. Water's getting in my face. There are people on the train, waiting for the train, getting on the train. So, as you guys know, if you guys keep up with any of my old videos, they now have a train station. It's so weird. And which I hate. I swear to God, this place is becoming a mini Toronto. We already have trains. We have construction. That's funny. And I'm walking. Second question. What are you guys' favorite alcoholic drinks? Mine has to be the martini or the I'm so sick right now. Shot of 40's Creek or Bud Light or Budweiser. Budweiser's one of my favorite. Okay, we're about to cross somebody, so I'm gonna keep you guys in front of me. I don't wanna go over and have people. Okay, we're actually gonna press the button because we're good people. We're good people. Okay, time to walk. Okay, that's the RBC. My bank is not that. My bank is a little bit different. Oh, you guys actually get to see the new train. Perfect timing. Okay, so I'm gonna angle it like that. And in about 5 seconds, you should see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Okay. That didn't work out as planned. No, that's the new train. I'm halfway there. I'm on Queen. I'm almost there. I'm gonna actually have a smoke before I go inside. Speaking of smoke, so actually, really, really bad for you. As I said before, I should stop smoking. Kids, don't do it. Read what that says. No smoking. Well, I'm smoking. It's a bad idea. Alright. I'm gonna show you what Queen looks like. Alright, we're gonna cross this way. Thank you. I'm really sweet sometimes. That's gonna be the new Tim Hortons. That building with the blue things. Time to walk. So I have been thinking. What have I been thinking? Can't find my light on. Hold up. My lighter is right here. Okay. We're gonna go in this little crevice. That's what she said. Okay, I'm putting you guys in down compliance. Vibration. My friend's my friend's being weird again. So what to talk about? Oh yeah. So I went to Shoppers Drug Mart. I got OW, so that's good. Yeah. So I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I got penicillin. Originally I got antibiotics for my tooth, but I decided not to get that because taking penicillin and antibiotics, I'd be on shittle 24/7. I don't want that. We're almost at the library, and there's water on my phone. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I am. Actually, you know what? No, I have a couple things I got to tell you. People honking. No cars everywhere. I mean, I am in the city and everything. My God, what is wrong with my hair? I gotta fix it. Okay, now I know what I was to say. Actually, I forget. Oh, do you guys wish to live in the city or do you want to live in the country? Comment down below, and depending how many comments I get, I will do one of my vlogs in the country, and I don't know when that will be, but one of my vlogs will be in the country and everything. So yeah, I'm at the library, which is good. My hair's still being a little bit of a bitch. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with everybody you love. Alright. Take care. This is Jacob Thornwall signing off.